how are ya? It's me, the one and only Valerie. Let me stop. Today is June 18th, 2024. We are in Boca Raton right now. Sitting in the parking lot actually. Well, I'm in the car. Hey.
Hey.
How you doing?
Doing great. What is today? And what are we doing today?
Want me to tell you?
Tell everybody.
I'm gonna tell everybody. But he gotta go get on his job. His manservant duties. That's his nickname.
Nice, sweet, smooth, like cocoa bread, cocoa bread. You're nice, sweet, smooth, like cocoa bread, cocoa bread. You're nice, like cocoa, you're nice, like cocoa bread, like cocoa bread. Oh, you're nice, like cocoa, you're nice, like cocoa bread. Driving dick, watch a movie. Right by your side on duty. Not too much, not too sweet. Ooh, passion from your truly. Let me know how you feel. Up I'm not into.
Hey, Marcus had to go and get my wheelchair out. I have an appointment today to get a cortisone shot. I'm going in to get a cortisone shot today. It's going to last me for a month, I hope, because I have a torn rotator cuff, arthritis. I got a whole bunch of that going on in this shoulder, my left shoulder. I need a shoulder replacement, and they're doing that in September 17th. And we're going to do our best to vlog, document, and take you along the way so that you can see what I'm going through and dealing with in the next few months. So I'll be back a little bit later to let you know what's going on.
Your chariot awaits. Your personal chariot awaits.
Manservant got my chariot.
Got your personal chariot waiting for you.
All right, we'll see you in a little bit.
See ya.
Hold the seat. Hold the line. Stay right there. Don't move, okay? Stay right there. Be back in a second. It's gonna be a long time for us, but it's gonna be a few seconds for you. All right, and go. It's me. We're in the office now, waiting for his hold the line.
Physician's assistant.
Thank you. We're in the office now.
Her name is Sarah.
Waiting for Sarah. Dr. Levy's physician assistant to come in and give me the pow in my shoulder. The cortisone shot. So we want to let you know where we are now. Mad serpent is here. Be back in a minute.
Now you had injections before or no?
Yes.
Okay.
I always say I try to be a patient because I know I'm not your only patient.
I like that.
That's actually a great saying.
It really is.
Thank you. I coined it myself. I think I'm gonna. How do you trademark it?
Yeah, something like that. And you're getting ready to get your cortisone shot?
Yes.
Okay, so we're going to use a freezing cold spray. It's going to feel like it's going down your arm. Right there, okay? Freezing cold spray. Up a little bit. There you go. It's actually evaporating. I know it's a weird feeling. Get ready for a poke, my dear. You can stop. All right, my friend.
Look, you're done. And you took it like a champ.
One jab to do it.
Finger crossed.
It'll hold me over until September 17th.
Yes.
I think that's one of those. I remember talking to you. I put it in the calendar.
Running?
Yeah.
I got you, babe.
Bye, lady. Bye.
Have a great day. Thank you.
Hey, we get you to go. So they'll be looking in just a minute. Just let them know you need it. Just amount of time. Yeah. Hopefully it gets you to the surgeon. I'm hoping you're awesome.
Thank you. Okay, well, we finished Valerie's doctor's appointment.
Hold on.
The second one of a 5-day doctor appointments in a row week, and that was Dr. Livy.
What about it in a row?
We don't have 5 doctor's appointments this week?
No. You keep saying it. I can't
you canceled one.
I'm canceling
I'm
Thursday.
sorry. Okay. Canceling Thursday.
Yesterday, today.
Oh, so you're only going to have 3?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we had 4. My bad. So we only have 3. Typical life of us. Anyway.
Yes.
Our appointment is over for today. We had Dr. Levy's physician's assistant, Sarah Bloom, who was excellent. She was kind. She was considerate and careful.
Yes. The staff there is even the front desk people in the behind the scenes are amazing also.
Everybody.
Yeah.
From the people who check you in to his medical assistants to the doctors, and shout out to Dr. Levy who are taking on this endeavor of fixing my wife's shoulder finally. Yeah, she's been dealing with this for some years now, since 2019? 18, yeah, so that's 6 years of excruciating pain.
Or was it 17? One of them years.
Yeah, everything runs together. There's so many things going on.
If it's wrong, we'll notate it right here.
Yeah, if we can find out by the time we edit this video.
Yeah, I'll look at it and
Yeah.
see.
But nevertheless, we appreciate you watching the video. It's a short one, but we're just trying to, document the journey that we take as a couple, and for Valerie in particular, and how we get by and get around. And I did video that was how we typically get Valerie into the car. We use this board called a Beezy board.
Easy.
It's a life changer for people who have to use some sort of sliding board to get into vehicles or transfer from a bed. It's a transfer board, but it has a circular disc on it that when you place your bottom on it, it slides so you don't actually skim your skin against the board. The actual disc slides with you, so it's just pretty easy. Makes our life a lot easier, doesn't it?
Yes, it does.
Yeah. So anyway,
There's a lot of rumpa-dunk to get on the board. It's a lot.
But
A lot of ba-dum-ba-dum.
oh yeah,
Ba-dum-ba-dum.
that's true.
It's a lot.
It actually is a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah. To end our short little video for today, we hope you enjoyed it.
Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe because
It tremendously helps out our channel. So remember, even if you're down and out, if you have a disability, or you just feel stuck, just get outside and just get moving. Remember that you too
can live a marvelous life.
Take care.
Bye. See you next time.